everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Natalie. If you are a new subscriber, welcome. My old subscriber, thank you. Today we are going to make bolognese, pasta with bolognese. So I have my spaghetti here, onions, bellies, Maggi, garlic and ginger, dry pepper, mixed vegetable, and the mince, beef mince. I have some chopped tomatoes here and puree, salt in case I need. Let's begin. I will begin by adding some small oil in the pan. Let it heat up, then I'll put the mince in. It's gonna be nice. I'll start stirring because it's frozen. I just took it out from the freezer. I'll start stirring until we have that brownish color. And I'll start adding the ingredients. I'll start adding my garlic. I'll add half. Really half. Maggi. Pinch of salt. And I'll continue stirring it. I'll reduce the fire. Adding the onions now. And the tomato plum. So I'll use my spoon to just break it. Like this. It's easy and fast. Dinner or lunch for the children. Very easy. Tomato puree. That's enough. And fire up. Veg in. That's my favorite veg. It's looking beautiful already. and the seasoning infusing. Let me add the rest of my garlic and ginger and the chili. Time I will be boiling my spaghetti here. I added some oil in the pan with hot boiled water, salt, for the taste, and the spaghetti goes in. I added salt in the water to make the spaghetti not to stick together. It. I will let it cook for another 5 minutes, and that's it. Wait for the spaghetti. Our bolognese is done. Look at that, it's beautiful. I'm done cooking. You all invited, come and join me. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Like, share, subscribe. Bye.